पैंडेमिक को ध्यान में लगाते हुए जो पिछले साल 2020 से जो हम सब आम आदमी फेस कर रहे उसको ध्यान में लगाते हुए भी हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि ये वाला इवेंट हम कुछ ही दिन पहले इंदौर में किया था, अभी रायपुर में कर रहे हैं, ताकि पैंडेमिक जैसे सिचुएशन में कोविड अगर आया तो कोविड वेंटिलेटर ही अंत ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है। उसके बाद आपको एक्मो है, एक्मो के बाद लंग ट्रांसप्लांट है, उसके बाद बहुत कुछ सुविधाएं हम हमारे हॉस्पिटल में दे सकते हैं। इसलिए एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, एक एजुकेशन ट्रांसलेंट प्रोग्राम के से हम लोग रायपुर के लोकल डॉक्टर से हम लोग ने अपना एसोसिएशन बनाया है और यहाँ पे आज एक छोटा सा इवेंट भी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए। देखिए
अभी हॉस्पिटल जनरली आप लोग देखें तो main specialty is the MR Clinic is our new branch high-tech city. So that is the useful tool for cancer patients. That is the first time in the Asia. So technology, whatever the thing, whatever the hospitals they are opening nowadays, every hospital having ICU setup, ventilators, those are the areas are there in a super specialty like any capital city of the state. But in Yashoda having the multi-organ transplant center with ECMOs, everybody knows in the COVID times, what is the final resort for after the ventilator the patient is needed for anything, life-saving tool. That is the ECMO. ECMOs are available in the country, very few hospitals. That is the highest number of ECMO patient treated hospital in India is the Yashoda hospital. And we are having 100 plus airlifts from pan India. We received the patient. More than 50,000 of COVID patient we treated. So today we came here for the interaction of pulmonology with cardiology, because post-COVID also people are having so many events like patients are coming to the broad date because of maybe coagulation disorders due to the COVID. Because these kind of things we can interact with our experienced pulmonologist and cardiologist, share with Raipur doctors. Today we are attending one CME program, and these kind of events we are planning to do regularly basis. So knowledge exchange program is our main tool for the coming to the Raipur. So further we are looking for any consultations for the specialty doctors. We are ready to giving service to your patients in the Raipur.
Good evening everybody. Today I'm in Raipur to attend a heart and lung transplant conference here, addressing having an interaction with cardiologists and pulmonologists here about our shared experiences, particularly during the COVID second wave, long-term survivors, ECMO, the latest treatment in heart and lung transplantation, LVAD, mechanical assist devices, and these kind of things. But in this background, while I have attention of audience here in Chhattisgarh, we would like to say I'm myself first. I'm a director of Yashoda Hospital from Hyderabad. We are a single city-based hospital, 3 centers there, about 2,400 beds now, and adding a new hospital in high-tech city, one of the biggest in the country with 2 million square feet, 2,000 beds opening up soon in June. And we have our senior management here, Dr. Sunil and Dr. Vijay, besides myself. So I'd just like to have a little bit of awareness that because we had a lot of people coming from Chhattisgarh during the second COVID wave also, particularly those patients requiring advanced care like after ventilator, so ECMO support, primarily air ambulance. We had 100 plus air ambulance during the second wave, and many of them were from the old Madhya Pradesh, particularly from Raipur and surrounding areas. So I myself practiced pulmonary critical care medicine in US for 10 years or so, and after coming back I'm presently surprised by the healthcare situation in the country, and at least in our hospital now we are fairly confident in each specialty like advanced critical care, heart and lung transplant, liver transplants. Like we had 150 plus liver transplants last year despite the COVID wave. I think it will be among the top centers in the world also. Yeah. And yes, good question. So Chhattisgarh is one of our favorite places. So first, right now we are located only in Hyderabad. We are opening this new big hospital within a few months. By June 1st or so, we are confident we'll open this. And after that, yes, we are looking at expansion, and once we have a concrete proposal, we'll look into Chhattisgarh, and first among the top will be Raipur to provide services here. But in the meantime though, many of our doctors are already visiting here, and we are having interaction regularly with multiple doctors here, and our doctors will keep coming monthly. About 10 doctors or so will be visiting in each specialty, like oncology, like cardiology, like pulmonary medicine. Today we are having a talk on pulmonary medicine, like transplant medicine, and cardiology also. So like that, some 10 specialist doctors every month or so we are coming. We are thinking of having outreach clinics too. Yes, down the line, if we can contribute anyway in Raipur, we are looking at either in partnership or standalone facility. Yeah.